Yo, what's going on, Clown Army? It is your boy Clown, back with another video. Today, guys, as you see by the title, yes, I am unboxing a brand new keyboard. And yes, this is something I really usually don't do on my channel. I'm a gaming channel, but this is a gaming keyboard, which I've been waiting for a very long time. I decided that this keyboard right here that I have, the Razer Huntsman, is definitely not, I guess not needed anymore. So we're gonna be cutting right into it. So this is, in this box, the Razer Huntsman Mini 60% keyboard. Hit that thumbs up button for more reviews, and let's jump right into it. And subscribe if you haven't to join the Clown Army today, by the way. MP5 video coming soon, by the way. Later today I'm gonna be working on it. Here we go, all that satisfying cut. Okay, pieces of paper for the packaging. That's something new. I didn't ever hear that one before. Let me just, stupid tape. This is I got this off of eBay for 90 bucks. I got a special offer on it, and I couldn't let this down. So I got this for about 90 bucks plus tax. So it came out about a little over 100. So we're gonna try and get into this thing as quick as I could, but let's try. This tape, and there we go. Thought I got all the tape over this side. And headphones are caught under the box now too. There we go. Because I've had that, don't mind that, that's my microphone falling over. I've had that keyboard now for a good 2 years now, since 2018. And I said it was time for an upgrade, because it's starting to get kind of bad. Sorry about this tape, that whoever sold me this really had some terrible packaging skills. Okay, there we go. Alright. Sorry that took a while. Just can't use my strong arms. Oh, that was cringe. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, I see it down here. Under all this paper. Here it is. The Razer Huntsman Mini. That's very dusty. Okay. Because thanks to the paper and all this, whatever this is packaging is. So let me just blow it off real quick. There we go. The Razer Huntsman Mini. We're gonna be ripping into this thing, I guess, if you want to say that. So let's see. Guess I need these scissors for not everything, but cutting videos. Here we go, guys. The moment of truth. Is the Razer Mini in here, actually? Oh my god. There it is. And yes, I got the clicky kind. Do not judge me. I love clicky keyboards. And here's the I think charging mouse or something, or if like I want to charge it, because it is a or no, not the charger, not wireless. What am I saying? It's not wireless. It's actually a brand new it's a wired. Oh my god, I can't speak. Papers, okay. Wired keyboard. It is a 60% keyboard. So here it is. I'll do a sound test too for you guys. This seems like brand new. Here it is. The Razer Huntsman Mini. Look at how little that guy is. I mean, that is what 60% keyboards are, but I didn't expect that much. I'm gonna cut to the next part, and we're gonna do the I gotta clean up my station, my desk, my office, from all the parts for the packaging, and we're gonna hop right into the sound test and the RGB lighting. So I'll see you right after this cut. Alright guys, we are back, and here it is all unboxed. And here is the RGB. Not the best like camera quality because of my Logitech C922, but let me see the different ones. So this is the, let's see, that one's called the Static. This is the Breathing. This is the Spectrum Cycling. This is the Wave. Oh yeah, look at that. That's my favorite, of course, because the RGB. This is my favorite. No, it's my favorite. This is Reactive, it's called. See, if I press it, like, it'll go, different places. I don't know what I just did there. But my favorite, and then finally the last one, on the, what did I just do? Okay, the last one is, Starlight, I think it's called. What did I just, what's that mean? Wait. What did I do? Wait. Oh, there we go, okay. But of course my favorite, to me, is, the, where was it again? The 5 was Wave, the RGB mode. So that was FN Alt, or no, sorry, 5, Control 5. Oh yeah, look at that thing, guys. Anyways, guys, this is the RGB, this is the Razer Huntsman Mini, and this is what I'm trying to plan on to get for, like, some Warzone. And I'm gonna bring my microphone close to you, sorry, to the keyboard, so I can get a little bit of a sound test of the keyboard. I'm gonna point it down, there we go, as best as I can, there we go. And I'm just gonna be quiet for a second, and I'm just gonna type away, because I'm gonna be this is the first time I'm trying this, so here we go. Alright guys, there you have it, the Razer Huntsman Mini. And I don't know if this is the best, there you go, that's the best angle. I hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, to be honest, it's an amazing keyboard, by far, of what I've I literally just unboxed it, as you guys literally saw, with the weird package. Oh. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up button for more reviews on my channel. Like, if you want, like, for example, if I get, like, anything for my birthday or Christmas or something I buy with my own money, gaming related, of course. And, let me know, what you guys would like to see, because, I'm not really, I'm uploading what I want, but I also really want to upload what you guys want to see. And I know you guys love Warzone and all this stuff, and that is coming very, later today. And it's going to be something to do with the MP5 on my brand new Razer Huntsman Mini. I love you guys so much, and if you haven't, please subscribe to join the Clown Army today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're new here, please hit that little bell and the big red subscribe button to not only just miss one of my videos, not only to subscribe, but to join the Clown Army, the second family, my community, my Clown Army. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and yeah guys, my name is Clown, and remember to have nothing but good FPS always. Catch you in the next one. Peace. With